everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down maths topics the easy way. In this quick video we'll use the area formula for any triangle, not just right angled ones. The area of any triangle is given to us by area equals 1/2 AB sine of C. You can use this formula when you know two sides and the angle included between them. Now let's take a look at the question. The question given to us shows a triangle with two sides and the angle in between them. So this is a perfect example of where we can use the formula provided. We can see that side AB is 11.7 meters, side BC is 28.3 meters, and angle ABC is 67 degrees. We can start by labeling the diagram so we know what numbers to put in where into the equation. We can label side AB as lowercase a, side BC as lowercase b, and the angle 67 degrees as angle C. To get the answer that we need, we can use the formula 1/2 AB sine C and plug in the values that we know. This gives us that the area is equal to 1/2 times 11.7 times by 28.3 times by sine of 67. Putting this in our calculator gives us that the area of this triangle is approximately 152.394. However, it's important to check two things. One, make sure you include the units, which in this case is meters squared. And two, make sure you read the question and ask how many significant figures it wants. In this case, the question asks us for 3 significant figures, and so we will round our answer appropriately. This gives us that the final area of the triangle is equal to 152 meters squared, as this is 3 significant figures when rounded. And there we have it. The key idea in these sorts of questions is when you know two sides and the included angle, don't use the formula 1/2 base times height to find the area. Instead use 1/2 AB sine C. And remember, when you give your final answer, make sure to always include the units. If this helped you feel more confident about the area of a triangle formula, hit like, subscribe for more walkthroughs, and drop a comment below if there's a topic you'd like for me to cover next. You've got this. See you in the next video.